Hey beautiful people! Welcome back to our channel where we share the best beauty tips and tricks to keep you looking fabulous every day. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a seasoned pro, we've got something for everyone. Are you ready to elevate your makeup game? Today, we're diving into some magical makeup hacks that will not only transform your routine, but also save you precious time. Trust me, these tips are going to be game changers. Today, I've got some magical hacks that are sure to transform your routine and save you time. Imagine getting ready in half the time and still looking like you just stepped out of a magazine. Sounds amazing, right? Well, let's get started. So, let's dive right in. Grab your makeup bag and let's get to work. These hacks are simple, effective, and perfect for anyone looking to up their makeup game without spending hours in front of the mirror. First up, did you know that a spoon can be your best friend for winged eyeliner? Yes, you heard that right. This everyday kitchen utensil can help you achieve the perfect winged eyeliner look. Yep, you heard that right. A simple spoon can make all the difference. No more struggling with uneven wings or smudged lines. This hack is a total game changer. Just hold a spoon against your eye and use it as a guide for the perfect wing. The curved edge of the spoon helps you create a smooth, precise line every time. It's like having a professional makeup artist in your kitchen drawer. No more smudges, no more frustration, just flawless wings every time. This hack is perfect for those rushed mornings when you need to look your best in a hurry. Next, if you're struggling with mascara clumps, I've got a game changer for you. Clumpy mascara can ruin your entire look, but with this simple trick, you can say goodbye to clumps forever. Grab a clean toothbrush and use it to brush through your lashes. This might sound a bit strange, but it works wonders. The fine bristles of the toothbrush help to separate each lash, giving you a beautifully defined look. It separates them beautifully and gives you that gorgeous, defined look. Plus, it's a great way to recycle an old toothbrush. Just make sure it's clean and dry before you use it. Say goodbye to clumpy lashes. This hack is perfect for achieving that fluttery, voluminous lash look that we all love. Now let's talk about those pesky dark circles. We all have those days when we don't get enough sleep, and it shows. But don't worry, I've got a hack that will make you look fresh and awake in no time. Mix a bit of your concealer with eye cream. This not only provides coverage, but also hydrates the delicate skin under your eyes. It's like giving your under-eye area a little spa treatment while you get ready. This hack hydrates your skin while providing coverage, leaving you looking fresh and awake. It's a win-win. You'll look like you got a full night's sleep even if you didn't. For a natural flush that looks like you're glowing from within, mix a drop of your favorite liquid highlighter into your foundation. This is a great way to achieve that dewy, radiant look that's so popular right now. This gives you a luminous glow that's absolutely stunning. It's perfect for those days when you want to look effortlessly radiant. Just a drop of highlighter can make all the difference. And lastly, don't forget about your lips. Bold lipstick can make a statement, but it can also be tricky to keep in place. I've got a simple trick to keep your lipstick looking perfect all day long. To prevent bold lipstick from feathering, apply a bit of translucent powder around the edges. This creates a barrier that keeps your lipstick in place and prevents it from bleeding. This little trick keeps everything in place all day long. You can eat, drink, and go about your day without worrying about your lipstick smudging or feathering. No more worrying about feathering. Your bold lip will stay flawless from morning to night. It's a simple trick, but it makes a huge difference. These hacks are sure to make your makeup routine easier and more fun. Whether you're getting ready for a big event or just your everyday look, these tips will help you achieve a flawless finish. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more magical tips and tricks. We love sharing our favorite beauty secrets with you, and we can't wait to see you in the next video. Until next time, stay fabulous. Keep experimenting with your makeup, and remember, beauty is all about having fun and feeling confident.